Hello guys, welcome back to Devic Hair. So if you're looking to grow your hair long, healthy, lustrous, you are in the right place. Why not join the family by clicking on that subscribe button and the notification bell that will pop up right beside it, so you are notified anytime our video is up. Informative video. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to trim your ends, because you know very well that healthy ends, healthy hair. Okay, I'd want to show you so you know how to do it yourself. You don't need to go to someone to do it for you. You can just do that shit by yourself. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the dusting ends trimming video.
First let me say to you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I dey pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. You know say every day I dey pray for you. Oh, in my heart today's a permanent place for you. That's why my heart it a beat like do. Cause now you I choose, so I am fair, me I am fair. I sing for you wanna be like do. Baby now you I go pick up, I am fair, me I am fair. But there we go. See I may not give the world to you, but I'll give you what I have. Oh. That's why my heart it a beat like do. Cause now you I choose, so I am fair, me